in this video, we are going to look at some of the downtrending stocks for next, right? 3 CPRs on the downtrend. Okay, so we are going to look at some of the stocks. First stock is, let me do a scan first. So 3 consecutive CPRs down. I only want to scan, clear filter. I'm going to scan for all stocks, but intersect with weeklies. Okay, so that basically means only stocks which has weekly options, right? So those are basically very liquid stocks. Only liquid stocks will have weekly options. Okay, so I don't want to be scanning for stocks which has low volume. Plus I want to do only options toward upside or downside. So I only want to look at weeklies. Okay, so on a weekly time frame. So we have 139 stocks here, okay, which are downtrending. Okay, so we're going to look at, we want to save this, save as a watch list. Okay, weekly CPR December 20th to 25th. Okay, so this is a scan. Okay, so now we are in the weekly CPR and this by momentum. So before that, I want to make sure that my watch list is basically looking at an hourly chart, right? So it's hourly here. Okay, so I want to sort by downtrending, right? So here if you see, what it means is 139 candles are downtrending, right? So FECL is a downtrending, but the stock price is only $6. Okay, but let's look at this. Okay, so let's look at charts. So you can see that this stock is basically completely downtrending. Okay, so you can see that on balance volume is going down. This is momentum is negative. Also the time frames are negative. So you can take the trade to the downside when the candle open below this CPR. Okay. So next stock will be let me see. So you also want to look for stocks with ATR. Okay, so here Shopify is a good one. Okay, so it's downtrending. 38 candles are downtrending. Okay, you can see on balance volume is down. This is red. Time frame also is kind of red to yellow. Okay, so once you see a candle down below, you can take the trade. Okay, the next stock we want to do is UPST. Okay, you can see 44 candles are down. Okay, the CPR is down, time frame all down. Okay, you see momentum is little green, but on balance volume is all the way down. Okay, so this is a good setup, UPST. And you can also see the ATR is 20. That means the stock has potential to move 20 points up or down. Okay, next one is let's go down, coin. Okay, you can see that it's all negative. CPR is trending down. Okay, so that's also negative. So here momentum is red, that's also good. So on balance volume is negative, right? It's going down. So Coinbase is a good one to look for. Okay, Coinbase, UPST. Next one is AFRM. Okay, so I'm only looking for red candles with high numbers, right? So UPST, same thing. You can see momentum is red, on balance volume is trending down, but it's just trying to come up. You can trending down. Okay, so it's red on all time frames. So this is also a very good setup. Okay, AFRM. Okay, let's look at CRM. Salesforce, trending down. Okay, CPR also trending down. All time frames are negative. On balance volume is also down. Momentum is going up. Okay, so you have to be just careful to see what you look for. Candle to open below. Okay, let's sort by volume. Okay, so Macy's. So Macy's is downtrending, CPR down. It's all negative here. See, momentum is negative, and then also this one is so Macy's. Next is Citibank. Okay, CPR down. All negative. Trend is negative. Unbalanced volume is also going down. It's a good one to take. Okay, let's go down again. Okay, next is eBay. eBay also has a good setup, all negative. CPR coming down. Trend is negative. Unbalanced volume is negative. Okay. Sort by symbol. Got one more SQ. SQ, right? Square. All negative. CPR is down. Momentum is up. Unbalanced volume is down. So this is also good stock. So I would say UPST, AFRM, COIN, M, Citibank, and SQ. Square. It used to be Square. It's called something else now, I think. So you can see also the what if ATR is 10. Okay, so it's got good momentum stock. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. If you need this scanner, please send us an email. Thank you.